Hello and welcome. My name is Oleg Shilovitsky and I will give you a quick first demonstration of AAC-BOM service for Autodesk Revit. AAC-BOM is an online cloud service which allows you to manage project information, collaborate with your contractors and suppliers and all project members. So let me start by demonstrating AAC-BOM Add-in for Autodesk Revit. You can see that AAC-BOM Add-in is installed in Autodesk Revit and can be configured to work with AAC-BOM cloud services. Once it's done, we can export and import information from Autodesk Revit to AAC-BOM and also update information from AAC-BOM to Autodesk Revit. So let's start from the exporting of information. We can configure what type of objects will be exported to AAC-BOM. And in my particular case, I will export all mechanical equipment from this building. We can configure what parameters will be exported and saved in AAC-BOM. And once it's done, I click on OK and data is extracted to AAC-BOM. So I can go back to the browser and see this information. So this is the report, bill of quantity reports that were created from this Revit model using the settings we created. So I can navigate and I can explore this information, sort it in a variety of form, and create export of this information to external sources like Excel, PDF, and other reports. So let's start by navigating between different objects. I can do it using AAC-BOM dashboard. So in this dashboard, we can search for information, we can navigate to data, and we can navigate to 3D viewer representation of the information. For example, for this piece of equipment, I can navigate to the Vim online viewer to see the 3D representation of this information. I can also navigate to a variety of objects with the visual information created by Vim viewer. So by navigating, I can get to all 3D representations of the data. And I can also create export of the bill of quantity reports that we created to Excel file. So by clicking on the export service in AAC-BOM, apologizing, so I can export and I can select what information will be extracted to the Excel report. I create the Excel report and navigate to this information that exported. Besides that, OpenBOM will allow you to collaborate online by sharing this information and these reports with other users. So you can think about AAC-BOM as an online application and how people can collaborate at the same time in multiple places, in multiple browsers. So that was a very first demonstration of AAC-BOM for Autodesk Revit, and I will see you in the next videos. Thank you very much and talk to you soon.